I'm on my way to help a homeowner to brighten up a dark room in the house. But in this case, if you don't have any or much of a natural light, the first thing I will suggest is like paint the ceilings trim indoors with a brighter color, maybe like a white or one of those off-whites. And then the walls, you can use a little bit of color, but not too dark. When you bring a light color into a room, you're gonna make a lot of more enjoyable space and a much more comfortable room that you can enjoy anytime during the day or the evening. Hi, Molly.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Come on in.
All right. I know you want to do some paint around your place here.
Yes, and I need help choosing a color.
All right, cool.
So I moved in here about a year ago, and I don't get a lot of natural light.
Okay. Notice that. Look at that.
Yeah. And so I want to brighten up the space, and I don't really like neutral colors, and I really like to have color.
Okay, beautiful. I noticed that you have 3 different colors there. And which one do you like the best?
My favorite is this blue.
Okay, this is gonna look fantastic. I like that blue throughout the space, but I also noticed the ceiling is not bright white. Are you planning to do any work with the ceiling and the walls at the same time? How's that gonna work?
I'm planning to paint the ceiling white eventually.
Okay, but first you wanna do the walls.
Right. For right now, just the walls.
All right. I also noticed the wall there in that corner doesn't have much light breaking into
Yes.
it.
So that's part of what I've been struggling with, that the color looks so different on each side of the room.
Okay, got it. So here's what I propose that I'm going to do for you. It's got this color, and we're gonna make 4 different samples from the same color. Same color, different shades, and maybe one of them will work perfect for that comparison with this area here.
And will that have it look the same color all around the room?
It's gonna look slight different. That's gonna be a slight lighter there because not enough light in there. Okay, so we can try them, and once you be happy with the one you like, we'll go to work, you and I.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna get the samples, be right back. You and I, we have a lot of work to do.
Sounds good.
Molly, here we go. We have 4 different shades of blue, 100%, 75, 50, and 25%. I'm gonna hold this up. I know this is gonna look very nice here. It's gonna do the work for us, but the other walls is the trickier one. So let's check that one out. Okay, let's try these colors here, Molly. Here we have the 100% formula. What do you think?
I think it's too dark on this.
Too dark for that, I agree. So, okay, that's too dark. Now, we have the 75% formula.
That's much better over here.
Much better, but not that yet.
No.
All right, cool. All right. Now, we have the 50% formula.
That's even better.
That's even better. We're getting there. Okay, now we have one more.
Yeah.
This is the lightest one. It's the 25%.
Yeah, I think that's too light.
Too light? Okay, that doesn't work for us for the wall here.
So it's either 50 or 75.
50 or 75, all right. Okay, we have the 75% formula on my right, and then we have the 50 on my left. All right? So which one do you feel like is going to do better for us here?
I think the 50% is better.
The 50%? 75 won't do it?
No.
All right, I agree with you. Let's do it this way now.
Yeah, that looks great.
Middle there?
Yeah.
I think it's going fantastic.
Good.
I think we got our color.
Okay.
All right? Well, before we paint, we do some prep work to do. There we go. We're going to move the furniture, outlet covers we're going to remove. All the way to the bottom here. All right. We're going to tape the baseboards, and we drop cut the floors, protect the floors, and we're ready to paint. Well, now you know, you and I will protect everything. Now it's time to paint. Okay? We're going to start with the 100 first.
Okay.
And then we go to the 50.
Okay. Do we need to prime the walls?
We don't need to prime really because the walls is in very good shape. It has been painted before, so we can go straight with paint.
Okay.
Ready to go?
Let's go.
Let's have some fun. Just give it a longer stroke, okay? There we go. Nice. Go all the way down in one stroke. Here we go. Perfect.
It looks like we're done with the 100.
Look at this, looks perfect, looks nice. We're wrapping with the 100. Let's start the 50.
Okay,
All
let's
right?
do it.
Well, both colors, first coat is done. Let's let it dry. We'll come back for the second and final coat of it. All right?
Okay, sounds good.
All right, first coat is dry. Let's get on with the second coat.
Okay.
We're gonna do the same way as we did the first coat. We're gonna cut, we're gonna roll, and we keep going.
Okay.
All right? Wow, Molly, look at this.
Yeah, it looks good.
Amazing. Second coat is dry to touch. You know what time it is?
It's time to clean up.
Remove the tape. Let's go. I'll show you how to do it, and then you get to check it over, okay? So just lift the bottom, give the tape like a 45-degree angle, go just like this.
Okay.
Nice and easy, all right? Just like that,
Okay.
all right? Take it over, and now I start this end over here.
How long should you leave the tape on?
Second coat is dry to touch it, time to remove the tape. What happens is if you wait too long, some paint might come with it when you remove the tape. And you don't want that, right?
Right.
There we go, perfect. Wow, Molly, look at this room. What do you think?
It looks great.
Remember that dark side of the walls there?
Yeah, it's so much brighter
It
now.
looks beautiful. Well, any more projects, let me know. I'll be happy to come here and help you again.
Thank you.
Thank you, Molly.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.